How to add fade effect on the Snapseed. Are you guys facing issues to add fade effect on the Snapseed app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapseed app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download the Snapseed, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Now click on image. Browse to the image that you want to add fade effect. Once your image loads up, click on tools. Now tap on tune image. After you click on tune image, click on the second option. Now click on contrast. Now drag your finger to the left side to make your contrast darker, which helps to give a fade effect. Now click on check mark. Now again tap on tools and go over curves. Now slightly lift the bar to the upside, which helps to give you fade effect. Choose it according to preference. Once the effect is done, now click on check mark and tap on export. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add fade effect on the Snapseed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.